Hello everyone, I'm Black Marvin, and today we're gonna breathe life into a Psytrance track by using some of the Ghosthack samples. Let's go. All right, today I'm gonna show you how to use cinematic effects into a Psytrance track and how to how to give life to that track, how to get energy going by using these. So let's go. Before we start, actually, before we start, well, we're started, but before we start, I'm just gonna show you what I did here. I have a simple pattern here. It's nothing really too complex. I have a kick and a bass, and after that it's kick, bass, snare, hi-hat. Super simple. Just a bit of processing on the bass to give it a nice color, so that's what's going on the bass. uh yeah, just to enhance the sound a bit. And I have the Empressor by Elizaya on the kick, and I parallel process it. So we're just gonna listen to that, and that is actually important just to know where we're starting, because that's not gonna look the same after. So let's go. All right, so just kick and bass here, and we are. I have a little filter going on at the end here, and after that we're back with, and we add the hi hat. Really stripped out and minimal version, but we're gonna change that. All right. Okay. Just also, just so you know, the kick is the kick Renegade from our Ghosthack Kick 2 preset pack. So this is from Ghosthack, and the bass is the bass prog from Ghosthack from the Psytrance Awakening 2. So this is available in the bundle, and yeah, I tweaked it a bit to get to be just a bit more choky and clicky, but mostly this is the bass prog preset. So let's do that. All right, first the first thing I want to do is they got the whooshes here, and at the end here at that section, just start back with another whoosh, and something like this. And this is already cool. And what I'm gonna do is get the KarmaFX Reverb, which is a free reverb. I'm gonna go in preset, take the White Ocean preset, and I'm gonna check with the wet. Usually this brings the volume up a lot, but it's a big reverb. All right, so already there's something going. I don't think I need another whoosh. Nice, but not for me. After that, impacts. Uh-huh. Gonna use force as a drum and not as an impact. All right, first we're gonna EQ it. Gonna more so I can preview. Oh yes, I like that. And usually I'm just gonna take some tail out of it, and Place it so I can paste it. And I'm gonna put Haas from KiloHeart. It's just like a little stereo delay, so it appears wider. And maybe OTT after that. Say maybe. Yeah, it's cool. But OTT is really aggressive compression, so it brings out some of the reverb here. So I'm gonna cut more. Yeah, okay, I don't like what. Maybe if I try that reverb, which is free plugin, OrilRiver, and yeah, maybe if I put my reverb on it, I like it better. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. So with that, this is how it flows. Good. One thing we should take care here is that transition. We need some kind of riser, something as the transition approach. We can maybe check with the downshifters. Maybe if we reverse that. Let's see how it sounds. Not so bad, actually. We always EQ. One thing though, I would try to have it, try to see if I can get it to be on beat, since it's like gated. I'm gonna try by doing, if I can stretch it manually with time here. So you see, I use the time and I assume that maybe it's that length. I'm gonna see. I'm not sure it's the correct length, but I like how it sounds. And I'm gonna put it on stretch so it keeps its pitch. Yeah, I'm not sure it's, but I like that it's a little bit offbeat. It's kind of, it is kind of slow, like voluntarily sloppy, and I like it. I'm gonna put the reverb too. Same pattern. Actually, I can, in that case, I can just grab this one, reset, and boom. There it sounds. Maybe there's gonna be too much. All right, so we have something. We have something. There's some drive. There's a lot of drive now, and maybe in the atonal drone just to have background. Even though it's atonal, we still maybe we need it needs to fit. You know, even though it's atonal, it needs to sound right. That's one thing. I'm gonna try OrilRiver with a lot of reverb, and of course, I cut. Let's see if I can stretch it, just like so it kind of makes. Sure. I like. One thing I can do is use duck, and it's like kickstart or it's like LFO tool. It's just gonna act as sidechain. Yeah, I'm gonna see maybe to give some groove with the sidechaining going on. All right, just summarize what I did in that sequence. I did a couple of things on the spot. First duck is after the reverb. Why? It's because there's a reverb signal and the sidechaining is pumping through that reverb signal, and the result is it's a groove. All right, you can hear it now. And also OTT, just to bring all the levels up. OTT, amazing, which means over the top. And finally, maybe some sounds here and there. Oh, that is nice. That's not what I was looking for. But also, yeah, maybe this can go here, like a reverse. Again, like to. Okay, and oh yeah, I know where we're going. It's okay. This is like I knew what I wanted to do, but and I knew that with this sample we were going to reach our destination, but I didn't check before which ones I was going to use. So let's see dry how it sounds. It's good, I think, but I think I would prefer with the reverb. So I'm gonna take the same reverb here and less decay that time and less wet. All right, I'm still gonna look for some of the sounds I was looking for. Maybe some hits here and there, like more not impacts, but some hits. Okay, maybe that. Or that I'm gonna, yeah. Works. So you guessed it. High pass. And actually, what I'm going to do is Gatekeeper by Gatekeeper by Infected Mushroom. I'm gonna try to gate and drag delay on it here. So the gating is delayed. Let's see. Yeah, that's a hard no. But I'm gonna try with another delay timing and another gate. Some gating, something more dynamic. That's good. Also, I'm gonna put that in ping pong, and I'm gonna put the filter on iPass, so the delayed signal is cleaner, and that should be better. All right, it didn't took very long to get that accomplished, and I used only the Ghosthack Tension cinematic effects, and that was available in the Black Friday bundle, but this is available on the website, and there's more than one abstract and cinematic pack, and you can achieve similar result with all of them. So let's listen to the final result. And you know, that's just the atmosphere, that's just the ambience that drive, and there's no leads yet, there's no, you know, there's no upfront stuff, that's just the ambience, and already have something going. But that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, hope you learned, and hope you're gonna make your own ambience, your own unique atmosphere. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content by myself or other Ghosthack producers. I'm Black Marvin for Ghosthack, and I will see you in another video. Cheers.